paddock.com and back to basics. Welcome back today for another segment in our cooking series. Today we're going to be continuing on our Christmas theme with some more Christmas baking. We're going to do some melt in your mouth whipped shortbread. So let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. So we're going to start our whipped shortbread. So in the bowl of the stand mixer, we're going to put our butter and our icing sugar. And we're going to beat those for about 5 minutes until they're nice and fluffy and aerated. Okay, so we're going to turn this on. Start off slow, otherwise the icing sugar goes everywhere. So now we've got that nice and aerated, and it's what they would call fluffy. So that's what that would look like. So now we're going to add our flour, cornstarch, and vanilla. And then we're just going to mix that again just for a minute or two till it's well combined. Again, starting slowly. So our shortbread dough is ready. So what we're going to do at this point is we're going to take a little bit of cornstarch and just dust our hands. And we're going to take a spoonful, about like that. You can make them a little bit bigger if you choose to, but I like to keep them a bit smaller. And just roll it. And fill up your cookie sheet like that. So now that we have our dough made into balls, we're going to flatten them all with a fork. Just like this. Just lightly. Once we're done that step, we're going to top them with either some sprinkles or a maraschino cherry. And I will get these done. So our shortbread cookies are decorated and we're going to put them in the oven at 300 degrees for 15 minutes. Here we have our whipped shortbread cookies. This is a really easy recipe. They melt in your mouth and they are a family tradition in my house. I hope you enjoyed today's segment. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so that you don't miss any future segments. You can find the recipe in the description of the video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and we will get back to you. Merry Christmas, and join us next week for our New Year's segment.